Super Pro 125C. C meaning the chrome cylinder, chrome plated. This is one of the rare ones you'll see. It has a working chain brake. You don't see that on the 125s very often. But we'll look at some of the other features it has. Kill switch is right in the middle. Choke is on the right. Has a manual pump for the oiler, plus an automatic oiler. Just pump that on a few times, thumb pump. Fuel on the top, fuel reservoir, and the oil reservoir right here. Another rare feature it has is got a matched set of the Hadstone falling spikes, the very hard to find falling spikes. It's a roller nose bar. Roller is this right here. It's on bearings, it does rotate. Has a skip sequence, chisel bit 404 chain, 63 gauge. And that's what they call the large belly bar. It's got a big belly of it here. Guys preferred this for falling timber, made a real nice cut. And there's that chain brake. Nice side cover, muffler in good shape. Just a great vintage saw if you're into the McCulloch Super Pro 125s. Here's a very nice one.